close and then open again. Share screen.
Just a minute, sir. I will. So now you can see my presentation, sir.
Now we can see it very clearly. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, sir. Okay. So again, good afternoon from Dubai. So I want to talk about global laparoscopy and robotics. So just a short introduction. Highly welcome, and also it is great honor and pleasure we have such a mentor and also you viewers from all over the world, and it was amazing for us, and hope we will try our best. So for your, and thanks for your trust. So this about GLR, this is GLR is a private limited company. We are a group of doctors all over the world gathered together. Our aim to help our youngsters who need training in minimal invasive surgery. We will also provide services to establish training centers in your own country and your city. So this is the GLR team, Professor Amir Khan, Educational Director, and Dr. Tansir Asghar, he is a Managing Director, and myself as a position as a CEO. So we have some subgroups like GLR Academics, GLR Clinics, GLR Manufacturing, and GLR Medical Tourism. So we have some general bodies, we have Board of Directors, faculty members, we have Advisory Committee, Organizing Committee, and Fellowship Selection Committee. So just now you can see this galaxy of our GLR faculty members. You can see, so if we start from Robert Rutledge, we have Ariel Ortiz, we have Professor Pazuki, we have Mario from Italy, we have Professor Abdurrahman Alawi, we have Dr. Hasnain, he's a well-known interventional radiologist in UAE, and now more than 10 years he's here and he's doing his best. We have Rui Ribeiro from Portugal, Professor Weiner from Germany, we have Professor Torres from Spain, as well as Amjad Parvez, he's a well-known colorectal surgeon from UK. We have Professor Talib, and as we see, we have Hessam, we have from Japan, Nakaroni, and we have Professor Wayang from China, Professor Valentina, she's from Italy and now practicing in Dubai, and she is colorectal surgeon. We have Professor Javed.
You have?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Quite clearly. Yeah.
Hi. Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So we have all over the world. We have from India, Professor Padma Kumar. He's a pioneer of endoscopic thyroidectomy. We have Laurent Layani. We have here Professor Ghulam Siddiq from Pakistan. He's a well-known person. Professor Atif Inam Shami, as well as we have Alexander from Russia, Professor Mujahid Abbas from USA, as well as Carl Miller, Aaron Tashkin. We have Ahmad Bashir from Jordan, and also we have T.K. Huang, and also Farbaho. He's a well-known professor, and as well as we have Faisal Dar. He's a professor of liver transplant. 1 minute. So just a minute. I think someone is. We can see. Because I must mute. Someone is here. I don't know. Just a minute.
Huh?
Who is there?
रस्सा यार ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
यहाँ
क्यों कर रहे हो? मतलब रस्सी खुशी का मूड तो नहीं है तुम्हारा?
Neutral.
खुशी तो अच्छी चीज है ना, जान छुड़ाना. कुमर रखें फिनान इस्तेम सब किस खेत में चले गए सब लोग? इधर
ना वो तो
कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप लोग? ओए ओए ये ओली, ओए साशा ये ओली ये ओली ये ओली ये ओली.
Ran, I would just mute everyone.
Yeah, sir, I am doing this.
Global surgery and robotic.
So please mute yourself. This you are talking global laparoscopy. Please mute yourself. Can you mute yourself? Yes, I think.
Just mute. If you can, you mute everyone, Imran. Just say
Yes, sir,
all.
I am trying to mute
mute all buttons.
all.
Microphone.
Okay, sir. So this is the galaxy of our faculty members.
Yeah.
Then we will go for board of directors. We have from China, from Turkey, from Russia, UK, South Africa. We have from Guinea. We have from Ghana, Uzbekistan, Iraq, Nairobi. So this is we are a team because the teamwork we can achieve the target. So without team we cannot achieve. This is our selection fellowship selection committee, and you can see here. We have also Professor Amir Khan is here, Amjad Parvez, Javed Raza, and Muhammad Asfar. He is also president of American College of Surgeons UAE chapter. He is a senior professor. We have GLR training programs. If we see here, so GLR academics, so this is the master classes, hands-on workshops, mini and full fellowship programs. And one thing that is the most important, and this is I think innovation by Professor Amir Khan, is mentor at site for training program, and GLR online journal that we will start as soon as possible. And this will be great opportunity for all of you. You can share your research work, and also you will have I want to explain about mentor at site. So what is this idea? So our mentor will be in your city and we will provide this service. So it depends on the candidate. So first of all, need master classes. When we select, and that one has such a facility, if someone want to learn inguinal hernia laparoscopic, so only observation he cannot learn. Only one master class he cannot learn. But we will be with that trainee. Our mentor will be there for 1 week, for 10 days, for 2 weeks. It depends on the candidate, and also will work with in their institute. Why? Because if a trainee will come here in Dubai, so then there will be some issue. The main issue is hands-on surgery. But when we will be in their center, then we can do easily. So nowadays, so as I discussed, we have weekly and AC. In before Corona, and AC will be after Corona. But now we are in middle of Corona. Online master classes. Online master classes is very important, and our target is hands-on laparoscopic surgery. That is the main target. And another thing that, as already I have mentioned, mentor at site for training program. So we hear about this trainer will come for exercise, but now this will be new thing. Trainer will come to your site, to your hospital for this training. We have fellowship programs, minimal fellowship programs, full fellowship programs, minimal invasive surgery, bariatric, colorectal, gynae, urology, and mentors for fellowship programs we have from USA, UK, Spain, Italy, France, Germany, Taiwan, Japan, China, Russia, Portugal, India, Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, Lebanon, Jordan, Mexico. We have all of these names. They are great mentors. Can you hear me? Who is coughing? Who is coughing? Can you hear me? Please silent your mic. So this is GLR clinics. In GLR clinics, so you can see this is the great idea. So now we hear about medical tourism, but this is the new thing. So we will provide our services in your city, in your country. And now we are going to start also as soon as possible in Nairobi. So now what is the main theme and what is the thinking of this? You all are with us. You are the team. We have these mentors with us. So these all mentors will be available also for training and also for the treatment of your patients in your cities. You are all doctors. You can be our team, especially in GLR clinics. If you need our assistance any type in your city, in your country, we will be available. We can arrange, so first of all, this telemedicine, and also then our professor, our doctor, our surgeon will be there, will consult there and can treat your patients in your own cities. Also, we provide this service, GLR Medical Tourism. So we are all mentors. We have mentors here. If someone want to go Germany for gastric bypass, yes, we have Professor Weiner. If someone want to go Madrid, yes, we have there Torres. If someone want to go Islamabad, we have Atif Inam Shami. We have Ghulam Siddiq. We have there Tansir Asghar. So same. If we need some services in UK, so we have. If you need some, so this is a network. So if someone want to go Lebanon, we have Hassam there. We have Jordan Ahmed Bashir. So this is the teamwork. In UAE, if someone want to go need for colorectal, we have Dr. Valentina. So this is the teamwork. This is our role is just like a professional bridge. We facilitate our patients for best services. So another thing that is the most important is GLR Media. Dr. Tansir Asghar will discuss in detail about this. And just I touch this Facebook group. We have active YouTube channel, website, and telemedicine as well, and GLR TV. So Dr. Tansir over this explain about this. And thus this is a picture of our global laparoscopy. You must join. Now we have more than now. Also we have live on our global laparoscopy. This is our YouTube channel. So there are a lot of videos you can see, and we will continue our activities, especially educational videos will be available for our youngsters. So this is a beautiful Dubai. I am in Dubai, and you all highly welcome. Anytime you can come here and spend time with us here in Dubai.